Netflix on Xumo TV often fails due to the app's integration method. Xumo embeds Netflix as a channel, so issues stem from Xumo-specific problems, not Netflix itself. Xumo TV integrates Netflix as a channel rather than a standalone app, making it dependent on Xumo's updates and settings. Here's the Xumo TV interface with free movies and shows, and the Netflix logo that appears as a channel within it. There are three main issues that cause Netflix to fail on Xumo TV: outdated app versions, sign-in problems with your Netflix account, and corrupted cache data. If Netflix isn't loading, shows buffering, or displays sign-in errors, it's likely one of these Xumo-specific problems. The TV interface shows Netflix integrated as a channel, and the cache diagram illustrates how data is stored and can become corrupted. To resolve Netflix issues on Xumo TV, first check if the Xumo app is updated, then verify your Netflix sign-in status, and finally clear the cache to remove corrupted data. To fix Netflix on Xumo TV, start by updating the Xumo TV app via your TV's app store, such as the Samsung App Store. Next, re-authenticate your Netflix account through the Xumo app to refresh your sign-in token. If problems persist, clear the Xumo TV app's cache by navigating to Settings, then Apps, Xumo TV, Storage, and Clear Cache. Restart the Xumo app after each step to check if Netflix is working. For real-time issues, check Xumo's support or Netflix's help center.